Hey, my name is Kerr from Breakthrough Academy, here to give you a few quick tips on how to create more accountability within your teams. So one of the first things that I notice most companies miss on is their actual ability to track KPIs, key performance indicators, so that they can set real goals with their staff and really hold accountability to go goal versus actual, right? The ability to see that data from your QuickBooks, from your project management software, and not only see how things are actually going, but have a real goal against them, can start to really drive performance in people. The next big thing I find is the actual ability to communicate those types of goals to your staff, right? So I think it's important to be able to say, hey, here's what you're in charge of doing, but to actually understand how that relates to everyone else in the organization. And one of the best visual ways I've found to do this is to bake those numbers, the KPIs, into the organizational structure. So the whole company can see not only what role I play and who I report to and who reports to me and so on, but what deliverable I have to deliver on to be doing my part of my job within the organization. Once you've done that well, it's important to take those deliverables and bake them into the employment agreement. Actually make it a part of that person's function, a part of that person's role. And if all those things are done correctly, the next big step, the final one that I think matters the most, is something called GS&R meetings, goal setting and review meetings that you do on a regular cadence, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You have some cadence with people that are directly below you that you're now going kind of from being their boss more to being their coach. And you're there to help facilitate week in, week out what it takes to be able to help them hit their numbers by year end. So they can hit their goals, the company can hit its goals, and the entire organization can be more aligned.